How to fix silenced calls on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your phone and at the side you will find buttons for ringer. Make sure it's not in silent in this way. Make sure it's in ring. After you do that and it still does not solve your problem, what you can do is go to settings. In settings, click on sound and vibration. After you click on sound and vibration, you will find ring and notification volume. Make sure it's turned on and make sure it's up high and not at the left side, which simply means it's low. If this does not work, you can simply restart your device. After restarting your device, your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix silent calls on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.